Just another quick video. What we've got here are calipers of a Subaru Impreza, one of the classics, and basically what's happened is they've been shot blasted down, take all the old paint, corrosion and everything else off them. Obviously all the seals and everything's been taken out of it, so I've put a layer of primer on them. I'm going to start doing a few layers of primer and then we'll decide on what colour. There is a bit of pitting and stuff on the sides of them that you not just isn't seen at the back, so we'll get a couple of coats on them and see how they look. Right, so this is the other side, the side you see, and we've got some primer, heat resistant primer on it, and put some high build over the top of it, take some of the pitting marks out of the metal. This side is a lot worse, particularly this one, but we'll build it up with a bit of high build primer. And the customer, they're hard things to get now, so providing this side here is nice and shiny and built up, I think we'll be quite happy with it. So we'll bring you back again once we start putting some more primer on. Right, so now we're on the high build primer. As you can see, it's starting to fill all the wee pitting marks on the main parts. The rear's good there. Again, pitted around here. This is around the back of the caliper, so it'll not really make much difference at the time. So another couple of layers of this, and then we will start thinking about getting the guy to choose a colour. Right, so moving on with the calipers now. We've got them on primer, as you've seen. We've taped up the insides where we don't want the paint for the pistons to go. Got them all set up here in the racks. So what we're going to do is we're actually doing it with another job I'm doing here, the Skoda. So we'll do the black on them. It's actually a spot repair on the bumper. And actually another third job there as well, which is off a wee Mercedes, so it's actually a different colour. We'll do it first and then I'll lacquer all three together, so it's just making good use of the booth at the same time. So we'll get some paint on and come back and see what it looks like. Okay, we just finished the caliper, so that's our black and a couple of good coats of lacquer, all of them. As you can see, they came out great. And also while we're here, got this job done. That's the Skoda, but that's a different video. So we'll get these built up and they'll be going back onto the car, and we'll see what the next stage is. The customer was actually considering doing the Subaru here in white, which would have to be done by hand. So we'll take a look at it tomorrow and see if that's going to be the case, or we're just going to leave them all in one colour. So that's it.